And this is how you end on a sad note, but there's something to be said about this, that when you read the poem that Ali radiallahu anhu recited at the graveside of Fatima, there's nothing happy about it. There's nothing about it that is hopeful. It's just pain. It's raw pain. When you read what Ali radiallahu anhu said at the graveside of Fatima radiallahu anha, but that shows you that love and that humanity and that rahmah. The Prophet ﷺ said that's the mercy of the heart. That is mercy, right? Remember when his own son died and the Prophet ﷺ was crying and they said, how could you be crying? Wa anta ya Rasulullah? He said, it's rahmah. This is the compassion that Allah puts in our hearts for one another. And so the words of Ali when Fatima died, pure pain. Unfiltered, raw pain. There's nothing else that's given except for pain. It's a very strong poem. He had finished burying her. He stood by her graveside and he recited the following. He said, Mali waqaftu ala al-quburi musalliman. He said, what is wrong with me standing at the graveside saying salam to the one who has passed? Qabra al-habibi falam yarudda jawabi. The grave of my lover, but she's not responding to my greeting. And he calls out and he says, Ahabibu ma laka la taruddu jawabana. My lover, why are you not responding to my salam? Anasita ba'di khullat al-ahbabi. Have you forgotten all of the intimate He said, have you forgotten all of the intimate moments that were shared between the two of us? And then he actually says in this poem, he starts to respond with what Fatima would be saying back to him. And he says, قال الحبيب وكيف لي بجوابكم. My beloved one responded and said, how can I respond to you? وأنا رهين جنادل وترابي. And I've become a prisoner, I've become now consumed by stones and by dirt. And he cried radiallahu ta'ala anhu, and he responded again, he's still speaking, he says, أكل التراب محاسني فنسيتكم. The dirt has consumed my beauty, and that is why I have moved on. وحجبت عن أهلي وعن أترابي. And I've been veiled from my family and my beloved ones. فعليكم مني السلام تقطعت مني ومنكم خلة الأحباب. And so he said, and so she responded and she said, and so my salam back to you and to them, meaning to those that I've left behind. Those intimate moments have now passed. These are painful words. They are raw expressions of death. There is nothing about them that is, we'll meet again in Jannah, nothing about them that I'm okay. It's pure pain, and that is actually an expression of that love, that deep love that Ali radiallahu anhu had for Fatima radiallahu anhu.
All I'm trying to do is to encourage you, inshallah, to encourage you to say, let's do something about it.